Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 activation error code 0xC004F213. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First we need to start with check your internet connection. Go to taskbar here, just tap on it and you can see your current Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Make sure it is connected and it has a network connection. And if it is yes, you can go with next steps. The next method is verify your product key. To do that, press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. When it is open, go to the system section and go to the activation. Then after you need to click on change product key, tap on change button. You need to enter valid product key here. If you don't know how to get a valid product key, first you need to open new browser and search for Windows 11 Pro product key. It will be shows several pages. You can buy the Windows 11 activation key. As an example, in here you can buy the product key using $4. Then after you buying, you can come here again and add the product key. Then after you can press next. It will be activate. So that is that method. If it is not working, you can go with further methods. Now you need to restart Windows activation services. To do that, press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu. In here you need to type services.msc. Tap on OK. This is the services menu. You need to find Windows License Manager service. Scroll down. Yeah, Windows License. Yes, this one, Windows License Manager service. What you need to do is right click on it, tap on restart, then it will be restarting. And also you need to find software protection service. Yeah, it is right here. Right click on it. Okay, it is not started. If you see this kind of message, you need to start, and it is already started. You need to press on restart. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Close this one. And if those are not working, you have to go with command prompt with advanced fixes. First you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, go to run as administrator, tap on yes, and you need to type this command as it is, slmgr.vbs space /upk. Hit enter. Then after slmgr.vbs space /cpky. Hit enter. Then after slmgr.vbs space rearm. Hit enter. Then after you need to restart your PC and try Windows activate again. And it also not working. Again you need to open command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator. Tap on yes. You need to type slmgr.vbs./dlv. Hit enter. Then you need to type slmgr.vbs space /upk. This will uninstall the existing product key. Then after you need to reinstall the product key typing slmgr.vbs /ipk, and you need to type your product key when you download it. Then after you need to hit enter. It will be activate using software licensing management tool. And all of these methods are not working, you have to contact Microsoft support. To do that, just go to your browser and search for Microsoft support page. Then it will be redirect you to their website. You can directly contact with their customer care, and you can get the idea of how to activate it again. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.